How's everybody doing? My name is Nick here at the Used Car Factory, Mechanicsville, Maryland, and today I have this red 2015 Kia Sportage that I would like to show you. You want to talk about features? This vehicle has them. Come inside and let's take a look. One of the first things you'll notice on the side, this is all-wheel drive, so rain, sleet, snow, wet, sand, dirt, you're going to have traction everywhere you go. We'll start off here on the side. A lot of people like this feature, so if you park in a parking garage or in a tight space, you press that button and both side mirrors do fold in. Press it one more time, they'll open back up for you. It does have black leather seats. They are heated and cooled. Right there on the left side, you can see the parking sensor, so if you're backing up or pulling forward, it'll beep and let you know if you're getting too close. On the steering wheel, you have all your hands-free controls for answering calls, making calls, ending calls, everything like that. You do have a touchscreen radio with a backup camera. It does have SiriusXM as well. You do have a nice sunroof up top. Everyone likes a sunroof for them summer days. They want to let some more air in. And take a look at this back seat. Take a look at the legroom in there. There is plenty of legroom in there for 3 people in the back. You do have air vents in the back too, just for more circulation of the air. I'll come to the back right here. Open up the trunk. You do have plenty of trunk space too. I kind of like this carpet floor mat on there. It makes it look nice. It makes everything have a nice look to it. If you look under here, actually, you have a little bit of extra storage compartments under here, and if you lift it up, you have all your components for your spare tire, your jack, and your tire. Lay it back down, just like that. Close this up. Take a look at the side. Take a look on the inside. Very nice room in this vehicle. For a compact SUV, there's plenty of space in here. This vehicle gets 26 miles per gallon on the highway. But if you guys would like more information about this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call at 240-249-6800 and ask for Nick. Thank you.